Okay, so now we're going to do the figure of 8, which is a nice easy knot. It's a stopper knot effectively for small boats, so that's as easy as it is. Let's just do it one more time. You get the short end in your right hand if you're right-handed. Okay, and the idea is you're just making a knot to stop the line from running. You cross it like so underneath, and then you twist with your right hand through 180 degrees. So twist through and then push the end through that loop. Okay, and when you push that through and pull, you end up with a figure of 8. So it's a stopper knot for small boats. So let's have one more time. Underneath, twist the loop through 180 degrees and push the end through and pull, and that is a figure of 8 stopper knot. I hope you found this short video tutorial useful. If you did, please click the like button. This helps promote the video on YouTube. If you've got any of your own tips or experience you'd like to share, or you've got an idea for a video, let me know in the comments section below. And if you aren't already a subscriber, consider subscribing and remember to click the little bell so you're notified when I release my next video. There are various links that might interest you in the description section under this video. Until next time, sail safe.